my dark. Pour out your love into my heart, 'cause I wait for you, my Lord. I wait for the breaking of the dawn, when the Lord shall descend from heaven with a shout, with the voice of the archangel and the trump of God, and the earth shall tremble and the nations fall. The time's at hand, it's the end of it all. When I see their eyes are blind. Nobody hears, they chose not to listen. Does anyone here realize just how far we're falling? As for me and my house, we need you, Jesus.